In today's exploration, we're embarking on a profound journey to understand the origins of life as we know it. We'll delve deep into the breath of life, the cellular world, the nature of matter, the building blocks of atoms, and the energy that drives it all. Across cultures and faiths, the concept of the breath of life symbolizes the spark that animates living beings. This idea connects our existence to a mysterious, life-giving force that has captivated the imaginations of people throughout history. It's the breath that animates us, the essence that separates the living from the lifeless, and it resonates with Christians and Muslims as a divine force, a gift from a creator who breathed life into the universe. But what is life, really? At its core, it's a symphony of cells, the building blocks of all living organisms. Every tree, every animal, every human is composed of these microscopic units. Cells are remarkably complex, each one acting like a bustling city with a multitude of processes taking place. They are the foundation of life, and for understanding their intricacies is key to comprehending life's essence. Cells are the common denominator of life on Earth, transcending religious and cultural boundaries, embraced by scientists as the very essence of life's machinery. Cells are incredibly complex, and they rely on intricate biochemical processes to function. The atoms that make up these cells, and thus all living organisms, originated in the fiery hearts of stars. Billions of years ago, the universe gave birth to these fundamental building blocks in the nuclear furnaces of stars, where hydrogen and helium fused to create heavy elements. These elements, formed in the cosmic crucibles, are the very atoms that compose our bodies and all life on Earth. The connection between stars and cells highlights the intertwined nature of life, bridging the gap between the spiritual, scientific, and philosophical. Now, let's talk about matter. Everything around us, including our bodies, is made up of matter. But where did this matter come from? Matter is the tangible substance that forms our world, and it's incredibly diverse. It can take the form of a rock, a tree, a human, or even a fleeting thought. The remarkable fact is that all matter, from the grandest mountains to the tiniest grains of sand, is composed of atoms, which are the fundamental units of matter. Atoms are the basic building blocks of matter, and they too have a cosmic origin story. These minuscule particles are created in the intense heat and pressure of stars. Within the searing cores of these celestial giants, hydrogen atoms are fused into helium through a process called nuclear fusion. As stars go through their life cycles, they continue to forge even heavier elements, including carbon, oxygen, and iron. When massive stars explode in supernovas, they scatter these elements across space, ensuring that they become integral parts of future celestial bodies, planets, and life forms. So, when you hold a handful of soil, remember that the atoms within were once part of a star, billions of years ago. For life to exist, it requires a continuous flow of energy. From stars to cells, energy drives the universe's processes. Energy is the lifeblood of the cosmos, and it's intricately linked to the creation of life as we know it. Everything we do, from thinking to moving, from growing to reproducing, is powered by energy. It's the universal currency that keeps the cosmic wheels turning. And it, too, has its roots in the stars. The energy within stars powers the nuclear fusion process that, in turn, produces elements. These elements are fundamental to life on Earth. Nuclear fusion, the same process that generates the colossal energy in stars, also provides the elements that make up the molecules of life. It's as if stars are the alchemists of the cosmos, turning basic ingredients into the rich, complex compounds that enable life. The elements released by stars are disseminated into space, ultimately finding their way into the formation of planets, including our very own Earth. It's this unique cosmic recipe of elements, combined with the energy stars radiate, that makes life as we know it possible. In various religious traditions, the breath of life, or divine breath, represents the spiritual connection between the Creator and all living beings. In Christianity, the book of Genesis describes how God breathed life into Adam, and in Islam, there is a similar concept of God's divine breath infusing life into humanity. This sacred breath, this divine spark, is a powerful symbol of life's origins and our connection to a higher power. From a scientific viewpoint, life emerges from the complex activities within cells. These microscopic entities are the operational units of life, each cell executing a myriad of processes that sustain existence. From the conversion of nutrients into energy to the replication of DNA, cells are the essential workers of life's grand enterprise. The diversity and complexity of cells are awe-inspiring, and understanding their inner workings has been a cornerstone of scientific research for centuries. It's within these cells that the chemical dance of life takes place, all rooted in the atomic and molecular structures that originate from stars. Beyond the realms of religion and science, philosophers have contemplated the deeper meaning of life. They ponder how the matter and energy that flow through the cosmos influence our consciousness and purpose. These profound thinkers have questioned the nature of existence, boundaries of the self, and the interconnectedness of all things. They ponder whether life is a random occurrence or part of a greater cosmic design. The exploration of matter, atoms, and energy from a philosophical perspective takes us into the heart of existential questions that have been debated for millennia. The connection between the breath of life, cells, matter, atoms, and energy forms a cosmic symphony, where everything is intricately linked. It's a grand tapestry that weaves together the spiritual, the scientific, and the philosophical. This cosmic symphony is a testament to the interdependence of all things, transcending religious and cultural boundaries, and inviting us to explore the universe in its entirety. It's this remarkable connection that brings life into existence, from the depths of the universe to the core of our being. As we reflect on the breath of life, the cellular world, the nature of matter, the building blocks of atoms, and the energy that powers it all,